This is basically the conversion path which we are having. So in this conversion path, first thing you would be doing, you would be checking the system requirements. Okay, who would be checking? Your basis consultant would be checking the basic system requirements. We'll go into the deep of each of the step, but first place they would be checking whether there are any technical roadblocks are there. What kind of system we are using? Is that system compatible enough to move to S4HANA? What kind of technical platforms we are using? What is the version of your NetWeaver client, right? So technical stack, technical servers, what are their versions, whether those versions would be supported to go for S4HANA. So that technical details first need to be checked. That would be done by the basis consultant. That is the first step, which you will, as a functional consultant, would not be aware, but it would be happening. Second step is the maintenance planner. Okay, second step is maintenance planner, where basis and functional both would be involved. In the maintenance planner, basis team would be at the high level, they would be checking it, what kind of functional modules we have activated, whether all the functional modules are supported or not, what kind of add-on systems we have, whether all of the add-on system is supported to S4HANA or not. Now, there is a misconception that any ECC system can be converted into S4HANA, which is not true. Not each and every system can be converted into S4HANA. There can be some technical glitches which can stop you to do that, right? Now, the functional consultant would be playing a role here. So basically that what are these functional modules, add-ons? Basis team can tell that was this particular functional module is having a problem. This particular add-on is having a problem. That is what basis team can tell. Then particular module consultant under which that particular business functions comes, they need to check it. They need to check the add-ons, that what is the problem, whether it is really required or not, can we stop them. That all need to be checked by the functional consultant. Then it would be coming to the pre-checks. Okay, here this would be done completely by functional consultant. Now it looks very easy, right? That this is a system, ECC system, and I move to S4HANA, right? Do the conversion, run SUM plus DMO. But you need to check that to move here, SAP in between has done a lot of changes, right? In the previous session, we have gone through in detail. Data model got simplified. A lot of data model related changes are there. A lot of things which has been deprecated. It is no more available. Rebate management, no more available. Okay, so a lot of things which has been deprecated, creating of customer, creating of vendor is no more available. Which means if you want to move this system to S4HANA system, you need to make this system ready. A lot of changes you need to do in your ECC system to make it ready, so that it can move to S4HANA. Now, what changes? There can be S4HANA has done the changes in multiple data models, multiple places. Now, I am not using rebate. Rebate has been stopped. It does not matter, right? I'm not using rebate. It is not a matter for me. Okay, so the same way SAP, the things which SAP has stopped or the things which SAP has changed, if you are not using, they are the MDG related changes. There are a lot of technical BAPIs, IDOCs changes. You are not using them. So it is not for you. So what are the things which is impacting you? What things you need to check it and make it ready? That part under the pre-checks, functional consultant would be doing. And I'm going to give a very deep dive into it. Then a ABAP team would be working onto the custom code adoption. A ABAP team would be working onto the custom code adoptions. That whatever the Z code we have written here, that exact Z code would not be working here because the data model got changed. Data model got changed. Some of the objects are fully got replaced. Okay, some of the objects are fully got replaced. Now the credit management is no more available. It would be FSC and credit management. So the object itself gets changed. So whatever the code you have written there will not work. Material length has been changed from 18 to 40 characters, right? So a lot of changes are there, which because of that, you need to adopt your code. You need to adopt your custom code. You need not to change the standard code because that homework SAP has done, but you need to adopt custom code. right? That your ABAPers would be doing the adapting to the custom code. And then in between, a lot of things which will be coming it up, which a functional consultant would be doing, that is testing, then end user testing or user acceptance testing, they would be doing it. And with this pre-check, a lot of additional actions in between they would be taking in. They would be doing training part. They would be preparing the training manuals. A lot of data will change the way we are moving with S4HANA. The same way we don't do in ECC, a lot of things will change. So that all the training preparation, testing preparation, still a functional consultant would be doing. When the final cutover would be happening here, at this final cutover, and this final cutover, basis team again will come and they will run this tool SUM and DMO. And with this run of this tool, your ECC system will get converted into S4HANA. Here also basis team will get stuck with the warnings and issues here. If your pre-checks has not been done properly, if any of the pre-check which is mandatory to do, let's say giving you example, a customer and a vendor need to be linked with business partner in ECC itself. If that linkage is not there, your SUM DMO will stop. Okay. Once you do this, convert your ECC system to S4HANA system, there are some post-conversion functions we need to do it that need to be done by functional consultant. Basically, there are finance activities are there, majorly finance activities. From other modules, from the logistics modules, there would be few activities which we need to do related to the business partner configuration. But nothing much. Only few activities we need to do from logistics. Finance has to do a lot of activities. Finance need to follow the conversion cockpit in the finance, and then they need to do the certain activities manually. But for logistics, most of the things happens on an automated way. So this is the high level process. This is the high level steps which we would be doing in a conversion.